Moin Moin, welcome, Lars from Lederzentrum, COLOURLOCK products. Today in a SLK from Mercedes Daimler, and typical damages on the soft touch surfaces, and we will show you how to repair step by step. First step for us in these videos, put out the seats. It is not necessary but helpful, and this is not difficult by this kind of model. So if you have this option to take out the seats, then take out the seats. Then next step is we will mask everything. Then we will clean with mild leather cleaner and a brush. After this we will prepare the surface with GLD-Solvent. So we will wipe everything with GLD-Solvent. We let it dry, or we will dry it with a heat gun, and then spray color with 5% Crosslinker inside, and finally clear coat, 80% matte, 20% gloss, plus 5% Crosslinker of course, and to get this nice smoothie touch again, 20% wax slip also is an additive what we add to the clear coat to get this clear touch. So now every step after the next, and see us in the end. Yeah, 5-6 hours. That is what we spent on this car. And when you do it without a movie, maybe you're a little bit faster. 4.5 hours is what I guess what you really need finally. And the amounts what we need was a half bottle, so 75 ml of mild leather cleaner, 1 brush, 5 sanding pads, 2 polish pads, half bottle, so 150 ml roundabout GLD, 30-50 ml, something like this, leather cleaning spirit to remove the dust. Then a little bit plastic primer from the spray gun. It still feels full, so this is really just to get a better connecting. So don't spray too much, don't fill up the grain, just spray a thin layer, that is really enough. Of the plastic primer, and then we need around about 150 ml color, 150 ml ready mixed top coat, and then a little bit leather shield for the end. On the seats what we did was cleaning with a mild leather cleaner, sanding down all the rough areas, and then we used leather fresh in black. I sprayed it, but you can apply also with a sponge, but be careful with the red stitches that it's still red. So use this thin masking tape for the stitches or the seam blocker or something like this. So just care for it that it's still red, and also a little bit leather shield on this. Thanks to the customer who gave us this car to make this movie. Was a very common question, especially in the Europe. I don't know often this car is sold in the US and how popular it was, but maybe you have this car also there, but for sure you have the same issues with the plastic parts where the color is peeling off, and now you have an idea how to repair and get an awesome result like here. And yeah, you're welcome to send us questions down in the comments or on info@colourlock.com, or go on our page colourlock.com. You will find also your distributor maybe in your country on this page, and you're welcome to ask us everything. We will help you. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'm looking forward to your questions.